Okay, before packing up your printer, you do need to remove the filament from the print head because you need to pack everything up. So to do that, we're going to come in here to Utilities, Wizards, and I'm going to select Filament Change. So once the print head heats up, what I'm going to do is you actually will hear the little, and you might be able to even see it, the little wheel inside here will start spinning. And I find it helpful to remove the plastic here. And you can just pull once it starts spinning after it's heated up, you'll be able to just pull that directly out. Okay, so once that has done, now we can come back here and it says we've removed our filament, we hit next. And now we're preparing to do filament in. I'm just going to go and hit the back. And from here, to power down the machine, click on System, shut it down. And once the screen turns blank, then you can unplug the printer.